Hi, this is Adil and welcome to new tutorial. Today I gonna show you smart tips of MicroStation regarding coordinate system. Most of our engineers, CAD friends play with coordinate throughout the day. After the single session, you would be able to know how to place a coordinate in MicroStation model. Coordinate toolbar, labeling of coordinate for a single element, label of coordinates for multiple elements, import n number of coordinate from Excel or any other source, export n number of coordinates from model, and a quick touch of features like auto update, insert field and cell creation. Let's watch. Yes, first of all open MicroStation. Okay, for this I took one MicroStation model file. First of all we will see how to insert coordinate, how to place a coordinate in the model. For this, first option we will take the key in feature. How using key in we can place a coordinate to our desired point, our coordinate point. For this, in utility we can find the key in. Here key in is there. Now I have copied one coordinate. For demonstration I just copy this one. Okay, take the smart line command, smart line, then here paste, and in the prefix we will add xy. Xy is equal to, as I hit the enter button, it went to the place of the exact coordinate. This is the way we can input the coordinate, we can place our point, we can by using key in features. There are several other methods to place the coordinate. Let's see some other methods, some other techniques. That another one is data point key in features. But in data key in feature there are two kinds of data key in. One is for single entry only and one is for multiple entry. For this single entry we use the keyboard shortcut P, and for the multiple entry we use keyboard shortcut M. Let's check. First delete this one. I take one line, just draw a rough line, any point we can, then press P from keyboard. Okay, you can see this window is open on your screen. Just paste the coordinate what you copied before, just enter. It will go directly to the point where you want, the point where the coordinate belongs. But you have observed that after hitting enter the dialog box is disappeared. It means when again we have to input the coordinate, when we have to place another coordinate, then we have to reopen, we have to go and again click the P button, and then we can insert that points. To avoid that we can use M option, keyboard shortcut M. This is also a key in method. We just take one line, press M. In this one I just paste. See friends, what is the difference between this one and before one? While you press the P, we have observed that after pressing the enter key, this dialog box, this window disappears, but now it is still there. So if we want some other point, we just paste it. Suppose I want at this location, I just simply modify the existing coordinate, and then we will see this takes to the input coordinate. If we want some other, we just check 1 and this one also 1. Just enter hit. See, this is the method for the multiple input. So these are the two method we can use for placing the coordinate. One more method is there by using element information. Suppose I have one circle, I just randomly place this circle and then click to the circle, go to the information, element information. We can get element information by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I also. So here we can see this is the origin coordinate in the geometry, origin coordinate. So in this origin coordinate, if we update this one, then this element will automatically go to the position where this coordinate belongs. Let's see, we'll match this one 6 9, then 7 9 1 9. Now the another coordinate 1 8 6 9 3 8.9379. See, as we press the enter key, it went to the position from where the coordinate belongs. This is the way we can place the elements in the desired point or the assigned coordinate. So this is all from the coordinate side, from the placing of coordinate side. Next we will move to the another topic, that is the coordinate text toolbar. This is most important thing, most important part of coordinate system. This we can get from this toolbar section. In the dimension we can find from in the last one, just see XYZ text. This is a complete toolbar. I just fix this one in the one corner. Here we can find 4 major items. One is label of coordinates, one is labeling of elements, one is export coordinate, and last one is import coordinates. So one by one we will cover all these options. First I'll demonstrate how we can use this labeling of coordinate. Let's take one circle. This is, I just selected this label coordinate option, went to the origin. Let's see now how easily we can find the coordinate of any object, any element. This is the way. If wherever we want, like this is a rectangle, here all 4 corners, just clicking and it's giving the take any snap point, and you can get the coordinates of that point. So but if you have 1 2 3 or very few elements, then this option is applicable. But if you have the n number of elements, then it's very difficult to go and click one by one to each elements and identify the coordinate. For that, MicroStation provide the element selection option, element option, through which we can label the coordinate. See, we have 3 circle, 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 1 line segment. Now zoom it little bit. See, now we can select this all elements by we can use the various selection methods by providing by MicroStation, like by label, by that, by cell, by color, by line style, by line weight, whatever we want. But I just simply selected this all by either by the window selection or from this label selection. I just click on the label selection. See, my all elements of this label get selected. Now I just simply click this one, label element, and see here these options are there. There are what the accuracy you want, line separator, what kind of line separator you want, which view, this is view 1. See here, it is view 1. If you want any desired prefix, you can put the prefix instead of XYZ, but we will maintain this XYZ prefix, and then hit the single button, this single click. The one another window will appear. You want to accept or cancel, just OK. Just see, by single clicking only it gives the all, they see all 4 corners coordinate. It's very small, that's why it's overlapping. See, in the circle the origin label of origin coordinate, in the line segment both end point and starting points segment. See how easily we can label the coordinate by using this label element command. So next, after this, move to the next, that is import option. We will see the import option. If we have limited option like selectable elements, we can select. But if you have many elements, we can select. But if we have the coordinates in the form of Excel or any other format, so how we can import that coordinate to our model, that we are going to see in this video. Because importing of coordinate from Excel or any other file, most of the time we receive foundation sheet, FAS, where the coordinates are mentioned, but we have to place it into the nearby structure. So in that case we have to place one by one. It takes lot of time, but the MicroStation provide the facility that we can import the entire worksheet, entire sheet, entire data in a single click. That will save our lot of time. Let's see how we can do. See here, import option is there. See import option. If you see here, as I click the import option, this window appears. See here, first is file name, browse option is there. Browse means you can just browse the file, from which file you want, from the file where the data are recorded. From there just click and import. You can import the files, but there is a little limitations in the MicroStation that you can import the files only in the format of text format. That should be in the text format, and the file must be a defined order. And I'll show you in one sample. See, this is the sample what MicroStation want. This each and every coordinate must be separated with the comma and should be in a .txt file. So whatever format we receive from the source data, we just transfer in the desired format and we can browse that file. After that, there is different importing methods. we can import by point. It means the listed coordinate will place a point, but on that particular coordinate it just mark a point. Second one is a text. Instead of placing point, it will write a text, whatever the text, your desired text, it will just whatever you want, it will give you the desired text. One more and more efficient option is that you can import your cell. So before going to process this one, we will just go and prepare the we will just format the our source file as per the MicroStation required, and we will create one cell, and let's see how this works. Yes, for this I just take one Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet which is containing the location number, coordinate, sting, northing and label. It means X, Y and Z axis are recorded here. So I want to import these all coordinates in a MicroStation model. For this, first of all, we will format this as per the MicroStation requirement. As we have seen before, this is the format. The each and every coordinate must be separated with the comma. Let's see. We just use a very simple function of the Excel. Just that's concatenate. This concatenate function, we just take the x-axis, separate. For this, in the inverted comma, I use the separator comma, and then y-axis same comma and separator comma, and then this is z-axis and enter. This is done. See, you can see what actually needed by the MicroStation. It is done. Just simply click and drag it. So now this one completed. I just simply copy this one and paste to the folder, one folder. I will just new take.txt file, just name it coordinate. Okay, paste it. So now out of 2, one input sheet is now completed. Let's another input is the cell, this cell. Let's see the how to create the cell. For this, I just take one circle by level. I take one circle. After circle, one rectangle. One 1.250 and 1.250. Yes, circle is also ready. Now move the circle to the center. Next, I just take one text. The name is XYZ. Okay. Next, I take one annotation mark in which we will make the auto update field, auto update insertion field, in which we will define that field should be a coordinate. Whenever we move this cell to which point, it will reflect the coordinate of that particular point. Let's see how it works. See, element. Okay, now my element is a origin of this circle. I just take circle. Now in the what we want, the origin of circle's coordinate, so just click this one here, select coordinate. You can see here, select coordinate. I just select XYZ format. Prefix, I want prefix to be displayed like XYZ equal to. This is my requirement. See, it will be appear like this. Just click this one, take the origin and see. Now our cell is ready. You can see the coordinate. Now 7501 is there. If we move this one, see, it's updated the coordinate. Where we move this one, it's updated the coordinate of that particular point, means the origin coordinate. So it's done. Now just make this one in a cell format. Just we will create this thing in a cell and just reduce a size little bit. Okay, element, cell, create a cell library first. In the desktop, coordinate, the cell library name also will coordinate only. Just coordinate 1. Okay, we want this one, this complete element as a cell. Just select this one, go to the cell options, define cell origin. I just click here and then create the cell name. The name I want to keep Adil. Here I want file name as coordinate with auto update. Coordinate with auto update field. Okay, and just Adil 1. Okay, just hit the create button. Now your cell is ready. One more thing, look at this. You may ask, what is the use of this square box? See, this is exactly perpendicular to our plane. This is our positive y axis, and it's really gonna help to identify the north direction of the drawing. And this editable text, it can be used to write comment like invalid coordinate or whatever we want. Yes friends, by the moment our both input files are now ready. One is Excel file, .txt file, another one is cell. So we just browse our file. This is coordinate and this is the cell Adil, what we just created. So it's time to see the magic. I just type the cell name here, import method. I just selected cell here, the type the cell name just now we created with cell name Adil. Just click the process button and see the magic. See, all coordinates are placed. And what's good thing here, just see, it's not placing the coordinate, or it's updating the each and every coordinates, each and every point. See, you can cross check, you can check these things. Exactly same coordinate are displaying over here also. So this is the fastest method of importing the coordinate through the .txt file by any of the source format. And see, we can just here one more option is there, importing method by text. We will see that method also. So for this I just delete this one, I delete all this, I just go to the select. For a smart selection I just click the by label, the label is coordinate. So see, whatever the things are here with the coordinate labels, all are selected, all and showing highlighted. So just hit the delete button, it's deleted. The next option, the file, same file we are going to use, the instead of cell just text I am writing Adil. Okay, see, all text updated at the origin point, but for this it will just place the text. It's not much effective, much worth instead of placing the cell. So I select it again and delete it, select by coordinate, delete, and once again I just place by cell. See, it's done. Okay, so next thing is exporting of coordinate. It's also the important. If we have a big model, we have number of elements, then every time yes we can see the coordinates. Like here, if we want to see the coordinate of this particular mast, we just select this one, we can see the coordinate by information or by labeling. This one we can see the coordinate, but if we want to import this in a proper format, then it's difficult by looking each and every elements and typing manually. It takes time. So we have one smart method of exporting, that is export method. So for this I just delete 1 2 2, so we can come. Okay, once again I select all by coordinate, and now you can see here total 27 files are there, all 27 selected files are there. So I just want to export it. See here, exporting is also same, browse, this is the just destination where you want to export. I just want this file name export coordinate. Okay, I save in the same coordinate folder. Okay, save. Here order, in what order you want, x y or z or y x z. This is master format, this is from the master model I want. This is accuracy, what accuracy you want after decimal, how many points you want. This is the separator you want comma or a space. Here view, if you have many numbers, many views, many windows, then we can assign the views, view 1, view 2. Here one option is there, prefix and suffix. You can write the prefix and suffix, and this is the most important thing, this is the point. What point? If you this is the starting number, if you check this one, this will activate the point option, and this starting number will start from 1. If you put 10, it will start from 10. And what's the importance of this one? This tagging will be placed to your model, to your elements, and the same tagging reference will import in the text file. Let's see how it works. See, with the single and one more thing, here we can export by placing a fence and all entire entire models file, we can import all the element coordinates also, but in this single it will take the coordinate of the selected one only, selected one. See, just hit the single, it asks whether you want to accept or cancel. Just OK, and let's check the folder, export coordinates. Yeah, it's done. See the magic. The number 1 to 27, we have selected 27 elements, and now all 27 elements coordinate is in my hand. Now we can use this one in Excel sheet or whatever we want. One more thing we will see now. Just see in this text file the number 3, and in this element also having the same number 3. So by this you can identify easily the coordinate belongs to which element, and you can see this, compare this 3 and this 3, the coordinates are exactly same, 419573, 419573. That's all from my side. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon with some more informative videos. See you. Bye bye.